17 degrees out. Kids are 2 hours delayed to school. It's so darn cold out. So we got sent to our first job. Actually a job that I sold about a month and a half ago. We've been waiting for parts in to come in. We got a Kohler here. The reason we didn't, he didn't want to replace the toilet. It was in great shape, beautiful toilet. He just wanted to rebuild it. So we started taking the toilet apart. You can see that rubber seal down there, how it's all goofy, bubbled up. Toilet keeps running. See how this brand new one is nice and smooth. So we're gonna take this toilet tank off and rebuild all that. So we started here, 1/2-inch nut driver, pulled off these 3 bolts. There's 3 nuts. This one's kind of a little tricky to use a crescent wrench, unhook the water line. Also forgot to point out too, if you guys ever want to rebuild your own toilets. A lot of times on the toilet tank lid, it will tell you all the part numbers, everything you gotta order. So now we got the toilet tank off, we got the old seal off, we're gonna get the new one installed there. Got the old flush valve off, put the new flush valve on. We got the new flush valve mounted in here, the new seal in there. We just gotta get it mounted onto the toilet now. Now we're just gonna let everything sit for a few before we put the tank lid on, put a couple of paper towels back there to make sure there's no leaks. Got the old one taken out, new one put in. I said just let it sit for a few, make sure nothing leaks, everything is working properly. Put the toilet tank lid on. I'm gonna go put a couple of humidifier pads in for the guy now.